Today I'm going to show you how to steam your shirt to freshen it up, or if you don't have an iron, if you're traveling, if you're in a hotel room and you need to freshen your shirt up or de-wrinkle it, this is going to be how you do it. So if you want to see more of this sort of video, please think about subscribing to the channel where you'll have full access to my essential guide for the modern man. So here we have my steamer. It's plugged in, I've filled the reservoir. Now, not everybody will have a steamer, so sometimes you'll need to use a kettle. It does exactly the same thing. If you're hanging your shirt or your suit on the back of the door when you're having a hot shower, that has the same effect. But basically, if you're using a steamer, this is how you would do it. I'm also going to show you a little tip which may help you to further de-wrinkle your shirts. If when you are steaming you have access to one of these, trouser bar, then you can use it to help you de-wrinkle. Simply open it up, and wherever you are de-wrinkling, hold it on, clip it onto the bottom of the garment, and this will add additional weight, and that will help to pull out the wrinkles as you are then steaming. So that's just an extra thing. So a lot of hotel rooms will have trouser hangers, and if they have a trouser hanger in your room, use that. You can make use of that. One on each sleeve and one on the body will help to pull the wrinkles out. We're going to start off with the collar. So what we're going to do is pop the collar up. Once the collar's nice and damp and all hot and steamy, you can then fold it down, and then that will hopefully lock in that shape while it's on the hanger. What I'm going to do is fasten the shirt. That's going to keep the collar nice and straight. And if I fasten it like this, it's going to help the creases hang out when I put the trouser bar on the bottom. Many people don't travel with a steamer, they're quite bulky. I will put a link to this in the description, and you can see for yourself. There are loads of them about. This is quite a big one. I wouldn't say this is a travel one. It is quite a chunky one. As I say, all the way down the sleeves. On the other side. So what the steaming does, obviously it gets the wrinkles out, but in terms of the freshness of the shirt, it's basically giving it an airing. It's allowing the shirt to the moisture attaches onto the sweat and the smells and that get locked into the fabric, and allows them to disperse. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll at least allow me to get an extra wear out of it before it needs to go through the laundry process again. As I say, the kettle in the room, you do need to fill the kettle full and keep your thumb pressed on the thing to stop it from clicking off once it's boiling. Just make sure you don't boil it dry and ruin the kettle. But that's basically it. One last go on the front. As I say, part of the charm of the linen shirt is the fact that it has this crushed look to it. So you're not going to try and get it perfectly smooth, just flat enough that you can get another wear out of it. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it's in a much more wearable state now, and it's much fresher on the nose. You'd wait for an hour or so and let it air and cool down before you wear it, but or hang it back in the wardrobe. But that's basically it. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you have any of your own hacks, tips and tricks for maintaining your clothes on the go, please let me know, and I'll see if I can feature them in a future video. Until then, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.